Romo mar riwruok mar jopuonje madongo ma sikunde primary kod secondary odonjo odiechienge mar ariyo ka jopuonj kod jokanyo e sekta mar somo dwaro ni sirikal mondo oti gi teknolojia ma nyasani mondo okony e dongruok mag puonj mar CBE. Kaluwore gi riwruogno, sikunde mag sirikal mag primary kadhe chandruoge mag koso gik puonj mag CBE ka jopuonj moko bende pok oyudo lony makare e weche mag teknolojia.
So basically one of them is shelter and doesn't have a house.
CBE, we are not very conversant. We are not happy because the roles that have been given to the leadership of CAPTCHA has grown up, but the remuneration is a bit low. So it would be better that it is increased to catch up with the workload that we have.
How will the learners in junior school choose power mechanism if they don't even know what it involves? So for us, we have found it necessary to actualize all those learning areas so that the learners can at least have an opening or a glimpse of what it entails, like marine and fisheries, aviation technology, business studies, power mechanics, building. All these are technical areas that we needed to actually expose the learners to, and that is exactly what we have done. So it's quite critical that learners to interact with these learning areas, especially where they have been actualized, so that they can make an informed decision.
We are aware of the trends of the young people and what they need, and we are trying as much as possible to meet that gap with them, so that when we mount these programs, it is something that is a perfect fit for the young people, for the JSS, for the senior secondary school. Like for this period, we don't want them to stay idle. We want them to take these courses, take meta courses, take ICDL courses, take courses that are generative AI right now being the in thing.